Now we are starting the next question 11 of this set 1 for the further solution. Now question number 11. Which of the following equation is the most appropriate linear model for the data shown in the scatter plot? It is a plot shown there between x and y there, and the lines are drawn. So it is question number 11, where this one is x, this one is y, and they have shown the graph like this. Before we start the solution, we should know that linear equation is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Number one, if m is greater than 0 and c is also greater than 0, then the graph of this line would be like this part. It is cutting above x-axis and the slope is positive there. For b, if m is greater than 0 and c is less than 0, then the graph would be like this, that y-intercept is negative here and slope is positive there. If m is less than 0 and c is greater than 0, then the graph of this will be like this. This is c is positive there. And if m is less than 0 and c is also less than 0, then the graph would be like this, that here c is negative 2 shown. And if y equal to only mx, where c is equal to 0 and m is greater than 0, then the graph of this will be passing from the origin and slope will be like this. And if the last is y equal to mx, where m is less than 0 and c is equal to 0, then the graph would be like this. So in our solution, they have given us 4 choices there. So we have to look at that point where m is positive and c is positive and m is negative. So this is the case where m is negative and c is positive, this c there. So according to this equation, where y equal to minus 1.9x plus 10.1, the slope is positive and y-intercept is positive and slope is negative. So this is the shape of this graph. So this is the choice given to us in the part B there. So the solution of this graph, according to this theory, is the choice B for this portion there. Question number 12 now. The graph of y is equal to f of x is shown where the functions f is defined by f of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are constants. For how many values of x does f of x is equal to 0? So we have seen it there for this question number 12. The graph is shown like this. It is at origin, it is at the 4 point, and it is at this point 7. So it is cutting at 3 points where f of x is equal to 0. So the solution of this problem is 3. So it is going to cut at the 3 points, which is the choice C here for this question number 12. Question number 13. Vivian bought party hats and cupcakes for $71. Each party, each package of the party hats cost $3 and each cupcake cost $1. If Vivian bought 10 packets of party hats, how many cupcakes did she buy? We know that the total cost, we can write it as question number 13 now. If C is the total cost for those cupcakes and hats, then it should be equal to AX plus BY, where this C cost is $71. The number of hats price is 3 into these, they are going to buy 10, and this is 1, and that is going to be Y there. So it should be equal to 71 is equal to 30 plus Y, or Y is equal to 71 minus 30, or that thing is equal to 41. So the cupcakes number is equal to 41 for this question number 13. Then they are going to solve this question number 14. Z square plus 10z minus 24 equal to 0. What is one of the solution to the given equation? So this is question number 14. Z square plus 10z minus 24 is equal to 0. So we can use the factors method here. Z square plus 12z minus 2z minus 24 equal to 0. Z common, z plus 12 minus 2 is common, z plus 12 equal to 0, or z plus 12 into z minus 2 equal to 0. So z is equal to minus 12 and 2. So there are two solutions to this. Either you can select minus 12 or you can select 2. They are both satisfying this equation z square plus 10z minus 24 equal to 0. Question number 15 now. Bacteria are growing in a liquid growth medium. There were 300,000 cells per milliliter liter during an initial observation. The number of the cells per millimeter doubles after every 3 hours. How many cells per millimeter will be there for this 15 hours according to this initial observation? So this is the question where we can use this model as y is equal to a into b power x, where a is the initial value, b is the rate, and x is the time, which can be in hours or minutes or seconds. They said that initially there were 300,000 bacteria, and the rate is going to be doubled after every 3 hours. So we can write this equation as y equal to 300,000. B is 2 there. After every 3 hours, that means what? X over 3. Because after every 3 hours, that is going to be doubled. So first, if it is 3 hours, then it should be doubled. 6 hours, it should be 6 over 3, that is 2 power 2 there. So they are asking that it is should be calculate after 15 hours. So y is equal to 300,000 into 2 power 15 over 3. That is equal to 2 power 5. So that thing is equal to 3000 into 2 power 5, that is 32. Or that thing is equal to 9600,000 bacteria would be there. So that is the solution of this, which is the choice D for this part. Then question number 16. Which expression is equivalent to 8x6 y2 plus 12y square, sorry, x square y square? So we have common there 8 and 12 as 4, x2 and x6, the least power is there x2, y2 and y2 there is y2. So it should be left there 4 twos are 8, x power 4 plus 4 threes are 12, x square is already there, y square is already there. So this is the answer for this question there, which is equivalent to, so 6x square. So here it should be 6 x square y square, then it should be equal to x power 4 plus 2 is x power 8, sorry. So it should be equal to 6x power 2 y2. It should be x power 6 plus 2. And that is the choice C for this portion there.